You see exercise 3.5 here. We are given with some problem sums, right? These problem sums are based on HCF and LCM solutions. Okay. I'll tell you few catching words so that it will be clear to you when you have to find LCM and when you have to find HCF. Keep in mind first thing that in the given problem sums, whenever it is written to find greatest possible number or to find biggest possible number, or anything which is related to highest, greatest thing, that time always we will find the HCF. Just you keep this thing in your mind whenever in the problem sum it is given to find biggest number or greatest, highest, maximum, maximum also, all these type of words whenever are used we have to find the HCF. Clear? And when we have to find the LCM, when the words in the problem sum is used like minimum, right, least possible number, smallest number, all these things whenever are used we will find the LCM. You just keep this thing in your mind. Least number, smallest, minimum, all these words are used for LCM. So these two things are clear. Another thing is about time period. Suppose it is for AM, PM, number of days, number of hours, days, hours, all these type of sums are, in all these type of sums we will find LCM. Clear? Suppose it is asked to find the number of days. So number of days means it is the smallest number only. So that is why we will find the LCM. Keep in mind, for finding time period and all, we will find the LCM. Number of days, number of hours, number of weeks, all these things we will find the LCM. Clear it is? So here you can see 5 questions are given. All these questions are based on LCM and HCF only. You know how to find LCM, also you know how to find HCF, right? You just have to understand that where we need to find LCM and where we need to find HCF. So where we will find HCF? When the words like biggest, greatest, highest number, maximum number are used. All these type we will find HCF, and whenever the words like smallest possible, least number, minimum number, number of days, number of time, number of hours, all these type of words we will find LCM. Clear? Another important thing, it is not necessary to find with the exact method like only prime factorization you can use or only long division. No, whichever method you know very well, that method you can use to find LCM or to find HCF. If you know prime factor method very properly, so you can go with the prime factor method. Or if you know long division, you can follow long division. Any method you can use. But to solve the question is to be clear that what you have to find, LCM or HCF. Method you can use any one in which you are, which you can solve very properly. Is my point clear? Go through this video clip so that it will be very clear to you that how to find HCF or LCM. How to find you know, but when to find LCM and when to find HCF. This exercise 3.5 is all about to understand which type of questions we will find LCM and which type of questions we will find HCF.